Are you curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Audi A5, 2021 and 2022? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The driver's and front passenger's footwell fuse box in the Audi A5, 2021 to 2022, protects and manages essential interior circuits, including power windows, seat controls, dashboard electronics, and climate system components. The instrument panel fuse box in the Audi A5, 2021 and 2022, controls and safeguards critical cabin and dashboard electronics. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the Audi A5, 2021 and 2022, manages and protects electrical circuits for rear-end systems, types of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.